What is up, Lost Ones? Lost Entrepreneur here, back with another video. Now, today, I'm going to do another video. I'm going to show you guys how to make a t-shirt, but before that, I'd like you to like and subscribe. Please check out the channel, and if you have not, go check out my new online shopping website I just dropped. Kind of just starting out, but let me know about the designs. I can always redo anything, and I'm looking to make way better designs. So that's coming to the making. But today, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So stay tuned. Boom. So I am now affiliated with Canva. So everything I'm going to be showing from now on is actually going to be from here, because it's kind of an amazing website. So if you're looking to follow me and kind of design t-shirts as well and go the same route as I'm going, please definitely follow. There's definitely a lot of stuff you're going to want to see here. This is all the designs I've been working on. So I had a request to show how to make a t-shirt, and that's what we're going to do today. And these are things I'm going to end up. I got my heat press coming in, and also my vinyl cutter I just bought, thanks to a close friend. I was able to start my dream. So let's begin this right now. This is a design I'm working on, and I'm trying to basically go USA way. You can kind of see it resembles the ramen over here, but I'm kind of switching it up, designing it, changing it around. But I'm basically just making my own little stars. I took this white star and I actually changed the color of it. I just basically hit the star, went to the color, changed the color, made it black, copied it, and just basically just been copying and pasting it around and just deleting all this other stuff around. Basically everything here is just done by elements. All these are just shapes. And if you also get the Canva Pro, which you can try for free for 30 days, if you look in the description below, I'm going to try and put down a link. Still learning, but I'm going to try and put down a link directly to the free 30-day trial website. So we're going to see if I can do that. But I'm going to still work on this stars right here, because I got to finish this little touch up right here. So I'm just sitting here pasting, paste, and paste, because I already copied the star. So I'm just copying and kind of setting in the middle, and then that's where the design is coming from. You got to be kind of creative and think outside the box when you're doing designs, because a lot of stuff is out there, but you got to think how you're going to be different. And this is actually coming out pretty good. Yeah, that's still off. That other star is off as well. There we go. Oop, wrong thing. Alright, just copy it one more time and then that should be done. Now you are able to make t-shirts directly from Canva by just hitting this print t-shirt right here. And it actually come up right here, and you'll be able to see what it is, and you'll be able to see your design. So that's going to be our design right there. And you're going to see how you can have it on both side view. You can select your color to which kind of color you're looking for to have in the shirt, and you have plenty of colors over here. You can even pick the size right over here. It goes up to, I believe, extra large right now. That's in the women's style. But if you go over to men, it goes all the way up to XL. They have the sizing guide over here, so you can check out the sizing guide. They let you know the measurements and all that for both men and women. So if you want to know that, That's basically how you do it. I'm actually getting the heat press, so I'm going to actually be pressing this into actual shirts and be wearing it. So stay tuned. If you're not following me on Instagram, then please follow me. But most definitely, there's all other designs you can do on here. I'm telling you, there's anything you can do. I'm working on this as well. If you guys want to take a little sneak peek at this when I first started was just that right there. Now I'm adding stuff to it, and I'm also going to add some words to it because I don't know what I'm going to write to it yet, but I'm really thinking about what I'm writing to this because this has a little meaning behind it. So, if you guys want to stay tuned and look at this next shirt design I'm going to be working, then look at that. And please like and subscribe. Lost Entrepreneur